In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with GitLab. To begin, open your browser and head to ClickUp, then sign into your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you have permission to manage apps and integrations. This matters because only users with the right access can connect external tools like GitLab. Once you're in, look for the waffle icon in the interface. It's the small grid-style icon that opens the app launcher. Click that to reveal additional options. From there, choose Apps. This opens ClickUp's App Center, where all available integrations live. Think of it as your directory for connecting ClickUp to the rest of your tool stack. Now scroll through the list and look for GitLab. The directory can be long, so take your time. If your view supports search, you can use it to find GitLab faster, but scrolling works just fine. You're looking for the GitLab tile with its recognizable logo. Click the GitLab option to open its details page. Here you can quickly review what the integration enables, like linking branches, commits, and merge requests to ClickUp tasks, which makes development activity visible to your project and product teams without leaving ClickUp. When you're ready, click Connect. This will trigger an authorization flow. If a new window doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up settings and allow pop-ups for ClickUp so the sign-in window can open properly. Next, connect your account by signing into GitLab in the window that appears. Use your normal GitLab credentials, or SSO, and carefully review the permissions GitLab is asking you to grant to ClickUp. These typically allow ClickUp to read repository information and link activity back to your tasks. Approve the request to continue. If you have multiple GitLab accounts, choose the one that has access to the repositories you plan to use with your projects. After authorization, you'll return to ClickUp and should see a confirmation that GitLab is connected. From this point on, you can open a task in ClickUp and, where available, use the GitLab panel to link branches or reference commits and merge requests to that task. This makes traceability effortless and keeps your planning and execution aligned. If you don't see GitLab in the App Center, or the Connect button is disabled, check with your workspace admin to confirm that integrations are allowed and that your role has integration permissions. And that's it. You went to ClickUp, opened the app launcher, entered the App Center, found GitLab, selected it, clicked Connect, and authorized your GitLab account. You're all set to streamline your development workflow.